Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Ngobeka Mtiane, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the couple of trades or some of the trades that we are looking at or opportunities today. Okay, awesome stuff. Here's a real deal. If you guys come in here and you're looking for a recommended broker, just go to schooloftraders.com and click trade. That is where you're gonna find all of these. And then please do like this video and subscribe. Now, as you are liking and subscribing at the same time right now, please tell me in the comments where in the world are you joining us from right now? Where are you joining us from right now? Okay, awesome stuff. Let's get started. In terms of the news items, we've already seen some of the Euro news and Chinese news, and also a little bit of Australian and Japan today, right? Cool stuff. But what I'd like us to look at is the building permits, right? The building permit is coming out at South African time at 2:30 today, South African time. South African time. So it's probably an hour and a half from here, something like that. So we need to look at the forecast. This is the focus, and then this is this is the previous, this is the focus. The expectation is that things are going to be much better, and then if these news are a little bit positive, we are going to be looking to buy the dollar, meaning the dollar is expected to gain some strength. But according to price action, we're also going to see what things are looking, and I'm going to tell you what can we expect today in the market. Let me just clear all this. Okay, awesome stuff. Let's go quickly. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you what's going on. I'm not going to start off with NASDAQ, even though it's here. I'm going to start off with XAUSD. There's a high probability, guys, that as the news will come out in the next hour and a half, markets will be close to these zones right here. These zones, this is where market will be close to, and will start selling all the way down, right? So that is where I'm looking to sell XAUSD. So let me just quickly create a sell limit order. Uh-huh. Let me just see. Okay, cool stuff. Now, the sell limit order is at 1820.29. Then my stop loss will be at 1825 for now. And then my take profit will be at 18, 1800, right? 1800.09. Let's see. Let me bring closer my stop loss. It's on 50 pips. This one, ear clapper, guys. It can, it can really hurt a lot. Ear shy. Let's be very observant. We need to be looking, for sell opportunities anytime from now on XAUUSD, right? Cool stuff. Then there is Nasdaq going on. So according to these moving averages, which are showing us trend, market is now breaking this bullish trend and trying to hop in the next move, which could be bearish. The bearish move might end around 14.324. That is where market might go, but I don't like selling Nasdaq. Let me show some of you that love Nasdaq. So the selling point, the selling zone could be this one, which is 1701, and then market, we can grab the market all the way down to 14362, 0.94, all the way down, and then take profit. Let's see how things go when the market opens, and we are going to tackle that one. Then CAT CHF broke towards the downside yesterday, so I'm expecting now a retest towards this zone. Then from that retest, guys, we are going to be expecting what? A sell towards the downside right here. Then let's go, and EuroCat is useless. And then let's look at this one. This one is called Euro USD. Euro USD is strongly bearish if you look at it, in smaller time frames. And I'd love to believe now that, it was very hard for me to believe all this time, but I love to believe now that market is breaking out of structure in this particular case. You may call this one a head and shoulders. It's okay to call it a head and shoulders. So market is trying to break out of structure. We need to look out for, I don't know, I believe this could have been a good sell entry, but let's see how things go. I sent out a sell on USD CHF, but if market hit our stop loss in this particular case, I believe that we are going to hop in a buy. How are we going to hop in that buy? So we need to find something more like this. Just a little tutorial or something like. We need to find something like this, and then we need to see this breakout that we are seeing now currently. Markets are retesting this zone and then now continuing towards the top side, right? That is where we need to see this going for us to hop in a buy, right? Cool stuff. A proper retest right here will really help. Cool stuff. And then let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD is strongly bearish, and I don't think we're gonna catch it now. We've already missed out. It was a good trade if you took it. Then USD JPY, we've been selling all this time, but I'd love to believe now with the expectations of the building permits, there's a high probability that we are going to be seeing something more like this one shapes. Okay, something more like a bounce on this zone, right? A bounce on this zone, and then from this zone we are going to be doing what? Going to be rallying all the way up. If we bounce to this zone, let me give you a buy limit order here, just in case the market comes down to these structures, so that you can hop in. A buy limit order will be at 109,265, 109,265, and I believe our stop loss should be at 109 100, or let's just say 10. It's not a guess, guys. 108 point, what is this? This is 965. Yeah, I believe this is gonna be good for us. This is our stop loss, and then our take profit will be 111 and 111 111 645. Okay, good stuff. That is the expectation. This is called USD JPY, right? Let us watch out on this one, guys. And then AUD USD, I don't like it. USD ZAR, I'm in a buy position, as I mentioned in the group earlier. I'm in a buy position. Let's see if anything that I don't have here. Okay, cool. I'm in a buy. And market is looking good for me. My stop loss is a little bit crazy. I think it's on how many pips is this? 70 pips or so. Yes, this is very crazy, guys, in terms of its movement. It's very, very crazy. But here's what you might want to look out for. This right here, and then probably this looks like a bounce on this market. Let's look at a daily, I know, for our time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame, I think this is gonna be true, since my settings here just did the way they want. Let's look at this. Then we clear out drawings. Okay, cool. Let's quickly check out this. Cool stuff. So yeah, I believe that even though we missed out on this buy here yesterday, we can still hop in for that take profit, which is at 1477. 1477 should be our take profit. But if market break out of 1477, we are going to go all the way out, to what? This should be 1550. 1550. So I'm using proper risk management according to my account here on USD ZAR. And let's check out USD CAD. I don't like. It's bullish. It may be one of the reasons why we need to be considering buys on the dollar. and all these other things, we're going to be checking them throughout the day and sending signals in the group, right? Cool stuff. And the dickhead, is it doing anything? Okay, it's not. Um, and the DSD breaking out. Okay, cool stuff. That looks okay. Crypto Dogecoin has been going all the way down. I have my money on Dogecoin on one of the wallets, so I'm gonna wait for it for the next couple of years. For me, it's an investment. If it means if it's gonna go down to 19 cents, this is not Dogecoin actually. This is Ripple. Ripple I haven't invested yet. I'm looking for that perfect entry, and then on Bitcoin. Hey, what's going on Bitcoin? Oh, this is a beautiful market, guys, on Bitcoin. So it's either market is gonna go all the way down or market is gonna go all the way up. So it sounds very beautiful in terms of how I'm seeing it here. But I believe market can still come back and bounce on this level here, guys. Okay, let me take it from this candlestick here all the way down. I believe market might wanna go and check, test this level here before coming all the way down, all the way down if it wanna go down. So these are beautiful levels of investing on Bitcoin once again, 29,000. So yeah, but if markets break towards the downside, there's high probability that market is gonna go all the way down to the 1600s. That's what I'm looking at. This is probably a head and shoulders, but we are not done here. We're probably not done. We're probably done. Let's see how the market does. But the sellers, as you look seeing this, the sellers are coming in here, and this is caused by hedge funds, the big banks who now wants to invest on Bitcoin because this is hope. This is hope right here. This is hope for big corporates, for big banks and all these people. If they want to hop in, they want to buy in very low. And if it does get to the 1700s or 1600s and all of that, they're going to buy in very hard. And I believe now on the 2000s or to the 20s, this is where they can also hop in terms of investing on Bitcoin. Dow Jones, nothing much, which is US 30, and nothing much. I think everything's pretty much simple here. And then, okay, cool. This is gold, and then XAU USD. Okay, cool stuff. I didn't put in my Dogecoin. Cool stuff. Those who invested on April earlier this year, when I said, look, guys, invest on April around here. You guys, I hope you guys are now good. Everything is fine. This is just a small retracement towards the downside, and then we're gonna hop in big time on this one as market is now starting to break, these higher, I don't know, higher highs, giving us new highs now. So I believe that market is now giving us new highs and new lows, and then we're gonna invest on this one. This is for those who are on easy equities, right? Cool stuff. I am done here. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. For those who are in the group, let's watch out on our trades. I'm gonna send out some other signals throughout the day. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Shalom.